This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and confirming battery voltage and fuse condition. This prevents damage and tells you if power is the problem. Once done, clear wheels and casters of debris so the walker can move freely. Make sure to visually inspect the frame for cracked mounts. That explains wobble. While you work, use a small brush and a multimeter to log readings and connectors. This sets up the core diagnosis and lets you move to deeper repairs with confidence. You now focus on the drive motors and control board because most failures hide there. First, test motor spin and stall current. Swapping a known good motor isolates electrical versus mechanical faults. Next, probe the PCB rails at 5V and 12V and look for cracked solder joints under stress, reflow problematic joints. Meanwhile, check bushings and mounting bolts. Worn pads or loose hardware cause vibrations and misalignment. Once you finish these checks, reassemble enough to test functionality before final tightening. You finish by recalibrating sensors and encoders so the walker knows its position. This restores smooth control. Once calibrated, secure all covers and run a 10-minute operational test while monitoring temperatures and unusual noises. That verifies stability. If you encounter persistent drift, make sure to check ground continuity and swap the encoder or sensor module, because intermittent signals cause control errors. Finally, document the replaced parts and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.